Istoryahe Cebu. Kuyog sa tagmana, Alki Bagyo. Istoryahe!
Maayong adlaw, Cebu. Asawan karon kamo gibutang sa panahon kaning nagalisod lagi ta. Itong panahon ron mo nagdaghan na di kayo ang nagyangok-ngok kay lisod na kayong panahon sa krisis na to karon. Pero naata karon kanay atong atay bisita na po. Hinaot nga kani atong programa karong adlaw kay maka-inspire sa mga tao nga in town, wala kay ba unsay buhaton sa ilang kinabuhi tungod aning krisis ba. Kung ana kaayo kanang lisod na kay kaayo ang atong pagpanginabuhi, ang mga trabahante mawagtanang trabaho, naglisod og pangita, ang uban ni adto na lang sa pagpangita og kanang pwede nga negosyo, which is sakto sa jud kayo. So, dili atong programa dili magstorya ta og mga negosyo, dili lang ang mga success, apilo nato i-breakdown nato ang tinuod, unsay lisod, unsay sayop, unsay makatabang para mo survive o mulambok ang negosyo. Kani dugay kanya akong guest, dugay na kay kung gusto mo ma-interview siya. Wala pa ko kailan niya, na ako mga kaila niya, pero nakuryoso ko, bisag ako kaila kung kinsay nagumala ato nga negosyo ka, kay nakasuway ma-stay sa ilang lugar. Background lang sa una nga nag-una ko, pwede mo siguro kung mag-negosyo ko. Imbis na magkuhan ka ba ka ng empleyado gani ka, sir? Ano mo lahi nyo gayo kung imuha ang negosyo. Oo, daghang lisod. Pero usa ni sa pinakaunang gusto na ko nga inegosyo. Kanang, alam bang, mato ka sa lugar, open 24 hours, pwede ka magtuon, pwede ka kung sa imong buhaton ba, mapalambo sa imong kaugalingong negosyo, pero sila tigtabang nga mahitabo ang imong dream nga negosyo. Kanya kay kapi-kapi kay kinsa man ginakapi karon mga panahon na lisod kay ning Pilipino kay kung init mangapi, kung tugnaw mangapi. So okay kay nga negosyo okay. Kay kita magdugay kay sa kakura sa beta dali nga excited sa dalan si sir sa sa atong programa. So ang pangutana ni ron, kung saan man pagpadagan sa negosyo, mo na itong tubagon dali sa atong programa. Maor ginit tumuog tuyo na to. Kung full-time ka sa ospital, panalitan. Kung full-time ka sa imong trabaho, kaya pa rin mo magnegosyo. Lisod kayo. Lisod kayo kung naon ba nga. Kung saan man, kinahanglan di ay nga, kanang mo give up ko sa akong work para ko makanegosyo. Noon sa buwan no, ako mausa na akong tuo sa una. So, sa mga negosyante nga nagunahuna, muingon ba na ng uban nga, liso na kayo negosyo Mahiram na sa mga kabalo, mahiram na sa mga dato, kanang di ba problema kung wala sila kwarta, naman sila kwarta ang ikagamit. Mga igala, ang pagpalambo sa negosyo, dili para sa mga tapulan, kundi para sa gustong mutuon, ug maning kamot, bisan gikapuyan. Ang atong guest karon, paminawa, daawa. Kung reklamo mo kayo na busy kay kus trabaho, paminawa ni kung kani si guest nato, kung giunsa niya pag maniobra ni iyang work-life balance kay usa siya ka surgical nurse sa Chonghua Hospital, pero entrepreneur. Dili lang usa ka negosyo, abot na nga daghan pa siya negosyo lain ba? Pero ang among istoryahan karon kaning iyang negosyo nga Dr. Coffee o Dr. Chicken. Relevant kay nung pinala siya sa Chonghua Hospital, surgical nurse, yung mga negosyo, mga doktor, ano ba? Ang manok na yung doktor, mga ba ni John Santa Cruz. So, introduce mo ko galingon sa Sir John, sugdan nato.
Hello. Good afternoon sa atong listeners and to our viewers. So just thank you sir for inviting me here, and this is really a good opportunity for me to talk because there's been a lot of questions about how I'm doing this despite the busy schedules that we have. And I want to share things that I'm doing for myself as well, so that it can be a lesson for everyone. I'm not saying that I'm good at everything, but I'm saying that it's just a matter of balance. It's just a matter of prioritizing of what you're passionate about, and then doing something that will keep the passion burning. So to those who doesn't know me, I'm Jong Coelho. So I'm mostly known by my friends as Jong. I grew up in Iloilo actually. So Ilonggo po. I know how to speak, but my mother is a Cebuano as well from Mindanao. So kabalog yun ko mo Ilonggo and kabaosan ko mo Bisaya.
Yeah.
Okay. So actually when we talk about, since you mentioned Dr. Coffee and Dr. Chicken, and you also introduced me as a surgical nurse. So I've been a nurse for almost 10 years now. It's actually 10 years now. I've been working with a private hospital in Cebu for almost 10 years also. So after graduation in Iloilo, I worked here in Cebu after that. And then, if you would ask, Dr. Coffee and Dr. Chicken, when did it started?
Yes.
So, and why is it called Dr. Coffee and Dr. Chicken? So, I don't want to get credit from it. It's also from my best friends who were doctors. So,
okay.
shout out Doc Al and Doc Marika. So, they're my good friends, best friends. So, it started with just an idea. It came from a long time dream of having a space for medical people.
Yes.
Because our tagline in Dr. Coffee is a daily dose of remedy. So if you will think about it, it's more on like, on the medical side, a dose of remedy. It's like a medicine.
Yes.
And if you think about it, coffee is actually one of the stimulants that keep us going every day. You may not realize how it's been very helpful to you, but it's also being an essential part, an integral part, especially when you're hustling every day. You know the tagline, parang kanino ka bumabangon. That's
Yes.
that's very relevant.
Happy yun.
Yeah, but it wasn't so realistic then. It came to an idea na we will start it after pandemic, because during the pandemic we were duty at the hospital, and then after work it's like wala na may kapihan after, because there were lockdowns before, so wala may kapihan after like 9-8 p.m. So for those who were working in a 24-hour shifting, so it's really hard that you don't have a space, you don't have this area where you can just talk with your friends, hang out. So we came up with the idea of making our own coffee shop for the Cebuano. That's why we're actually located in the heart of Cebu,
Yes.
in Puente Osmeña. So Dr. Coffee is now on its going third year. So we're very happy that we're able to sustain it. So actually the business, the opening a business is hard, but sustaining the business is even harder.
Yes. So, mao nang importante kay naa ka diri sir, kung minaw ko ana sa mong storya ba, kung ako na ako'y budget, makaingon ko uy hindi siya negosyo. Pero sa kanto mga way budget or kung nasa to sakto ra, makuryoso ka ba? Nga nindot man kayo pero gasud, wa mo siya musulti ani, so mao na akong gusto nga manigawaan. I hope na naay katong mga napunoon na nga cafe. Kani siya yung coffee shop sir, dili lang ni siya coffee shop ita.
Yes. So Dr. Coffee, which is located in Puente Osmeña, it's just in Osmeña Boulevard. So it's just along the highway. So it's actually a working space as well. So aside from the coffees that we're offering, we also included in the idea that we want a small like group discussion for it to be more a productive space for everyone. So aside from the dining experience that they'll get, we also have rooms. We have 3 actually rooms in the shop, which not many of the Cebuanos know that, and then they actually get surprised that this is actually a big space. And then what we did was we rented out for small group discussions, for product meetings, as well as for a let's take for example, we also have one room that then you can do like a training. So it's like an amphitheater style with a projectors that and they can do like activities, trainings, demonstrations. So it's more of like the hospital setup that you can do like that. It's already there, wherein everyone can just be productive with, of course, the aid of coffee.
Yes. nakasuway naman yung may pila ka times na ito ganit yan, mga kaduha, or 3 times na no? 3 times na in a group. Nakasuway mo dito, naganahan niya sa ambience, naganahan niya tungkol kay kung private room mong kuhaon, conducive dyan kayo sa meetings. Nindot siya niya, kasi itong mga mag-picture-picture, aesthetic siya, aesthetically, nindot siya sa tanawon. Kung makaroon na ka nga, mahal siguro ni, sa iyo na siguro ni, or kung sa kanila pagkuhan, mao na ako gusto ng deeper sa imuha. Gusto ko makibaw ko, first, kay being a marketer, sa digital marketing, kaibaw ko na importante po kaayo ang pagpilit sa pangan. Which is, thanks to your friends,
Yes.
sila ang nag-suggest, di ba, nag-inspire. Ang pangutanan na ko ani ron, kay para tinuray yun ba, did it help nga inana ang inyong gipangan, na by pros and cons, ana?
Yes. Actually, when it started, it tickles the mind of the
Okay.
Cebuano because, of course, you would not associate Dr. Coffee to you would not associate coffee to a medical field, but actually, it's really a relevant and integral
Yes,
part
oo.
of us.
Oo.
So, the branding itself. So, what we did was actually me and my friends, my doctor friends. Actually, I'm just the one who's only a nurse in the team.
Mhm.
So they're all doctors actually. So what we did is we actually brainstormed on how are we going to make sure that we still made sure that the classic taste of coffee is there. Because we don't want it like other. I'm not saying that it's we're competing with others, but we just want that the taste of coffee should be the taste of it when you taste it. We don't want to make it complicated. We just want it simple.
Yes,
Because it's just giving us this dose of remedy, is what I'm saying. And then, like, we wanted it to be very marketable. So we made a product like this one, the transfusion bag, which is actually first here. So
Unsa man oy kuyawan mo kuno mo hospital?
so yes, actually, the idea there is that this is like a transfusion bag, like
Okay.
when you
Ma-admit ka.
ma-admit ka, but hopefully not. So kanang murag mag-abuno ka og dugo. So it's like giving you life.
Yes.
So that's the idea of it. That's the concept of it.
Yes.
That coffee is giving you life. So it's a dose of remedy. So that's why we also have like a different packaging. We also have marketable, like the ambience of the coffee shop itself is like a very just simple. Just like when you go to a hospital. I mean, I'm not saying that hospital is very aesthetic, but we upgraded it into an idea that it's still a very productive way or a productive area where everyone can just study. So most of our customers are actually students, medical students, lawyers, accountants. So we're happy that every people in that the people of Cebu is accepting, and then we're receiving a lot of feedbacks that they're actually being productive when they visited the cafe.
Again, nindot ako feel or vibe, hindi na pag-ating-ating itong kailangan kape. Pero nindot ang vibe, and then nag-make sense sa ako kay ang kalimpyo ko o kanit is something that you can expect from, I'm not saying hospital, pero how hospital should be as neat.
Yes.
Diba? Kay mga nurse, mga doctor, so your ang idea sa mga tao, o ang practice yun, neat din sila, and then hygienic.
Yes.
Ana. So, ma-feel na po, pero ano yung mga oxygen, wala. pero nindot ang ambience, I would recommend it. Wala ni sponsorship ha, so paano niya ako kanang nito lang dyan ko sa inyo how you did the co-working
Honest review.
space. Yes, honest review na siya. Kaya yun yung balik-balik dito kung honest review. Kung wala lang may nga kuhan dyan nga experience. Now, mangutan na ako ni Mas. Is this something na ikaw ra ang nagsugod o na kay partner?
It's actually a corporation.
Corporation.
Yes, and most of my partners are doctors. So one is a surgeon, one is a radiologist, so others are pedia. So there's more of a doctors here.
Kinsa mo mas involved sa daily operations?
It will be more of me.
Ikaw.
Yes.
Ikaw.
So you've mentioned that how can I manage everything?
Yes.
Because I'm a full-time nurse in a hospital. So I've been a unit head as well in our department for 7 years now. Yeah. So we've been through a lot through pandemic.
Oh.
So it was actually after the pandemic that I felt so how do you call this? I feel like everything is being a routine. So that's why.
Matunos na.
Yes. So for those, what I can really advise is because it really happens to everyone, especially to the generations who's been after the pandemic. It feels like burnout is real, and you really have to find something else that would inspire you to keep you going.
Okay.
Because
Wait, how do you do that? I mean, kung ikaw sa imong self, can you give something like share something na nakatabang mo ng imong burnout?
Yes, because as what I've mentioned, it became so monotonous the routine
Yes,
that I just go to the hospital, work daily, like in an 8-hour shift, and then go home. And then after coming home, it feels like what I'm gonna do next.
Oh.
But as a person who's craving for something to do,
Yes.
as my personality, I would really want to do something in my pastime.
Mhm.
And now actually there's a lot of things that I'm doing now.
Wa na nung time.
Wala na nung great time.
Mupas na.
Yeah,
Mupas
so-
na lang ikaw. Wala
But,
kay time.
what now is so what I did is with the businesses, so you have to really be involved.
Involved yun.
Yes, and then to those that's going to start a business, I think the most important thing is to be humble, to accept the fact that you don't know it all. Because coming from a medical field, it's not easy to venture into a business, especially F&B,
Yes. Oh.
because it will really take a lot of self-help knowledge that you have to acquire, and also you have to keep that passion going that you want to learn.
Yes.
So, because you also have to accept the reality that you don't know everything. So, by tapping correct people, right people that will help you and will educate you with the good intentions that you have. Because after all, this business is not just for us, but for the people that's been working. Because kalisod to dron sa panahon, no?
Sobra.
So, we want to keep the business for those who's working for the business.
Kani sir, usa sa akong gusto gyud nga sige na kung gusto mo.
Sige.
Usa sa akong nakuryoso jud on how you're balancing your life is kung let's say kung doctor ka and then you're selling like medicine or unsa man diya related lang kaayo which is no brainer.
Yeah.
Pero if you're a doctor niya magmekaniko ka layo na kayo. Kani sa imo nga you're managing a business. You're being an entrepreneur.
Yeah, they call me entrepreneurs.
Oh, entrepreneurs.
Yeah.
Like nurse.
Yes, because I'm a nurse.
Sabi ko, plural entrepreneur.
Entrepreneurs.
O, kana, entrepreneur. Sabi ko, nakuha na. So, layo kaayo siya sa profession as a nurse or a doctor or sa medical field. Ato mo sa, although relatable ang coffee kasi health, pero managing a business is different. Di ba? So, kanang sa imong na-discover, unsa mga aspects sa business na wala ni mo na-expect and medyo di man ni mo lisod, pero challenging sa inyo ha?
Yeah. Actually, I think the training that I had, because I've been a leader since then.
Okay.
So I think the leadership part really helped me a lot in the business side.
Mm.
But what I didn't know about is, my gosh, the corporate side, like the costing of every product.
Ikaw mabugot na?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Also, there are a lot of things that I learned along the way
Okay.
when it comes to business, like the permits that you have to deal with.
Ang gana noon.
Yeah, so that's very basic.
Yes.
The taxes that you have to pay, which is a lot.
Ang schedule.
Yes,
Ano sa namo ko?
yes. Also that. Also the basic requirements that you have, the HR things. But as what I've said, you can't do it all, and you don't know it all. So you have to be humble about it. So what you have to do, I think it's destiny also that we have been guided by those people that we're not paying so much, but more on it's their passion that they see a potential in the business that they want to help. They want to help when it comes to the proper costing of the product, the proper marketing of the product, the things that we need to improve, and how we manage the business well. So I think it's more on like, it's really finding those people that will help you along the way. That's very important, and I think it's because of also of the connections that we have.
Okay.
So, yeah.
sakto kayong gisulti, sir, na I was hoping na you would say it, pero, pero I was hoping that you would say it, and then try to confirm nga, yung ana, di ba? just because wala ka kibaw, willing ka to learn, hindi ka ng aspects of business, you know. Diba?
Yes.
So hiring yun is essential na.
Mhm.
Hiring the right people.
Yes.
How do you determine that? Kung saan mo ipangita ang skill, ang talent, ang sa asa siya ni graduate or
Yes.
attitude?
I would like also to emphasize that the business is actually more on the character of the person. Like
Okay.
when we hire our barista, and I'm proud to say that I'm not saying that we are actually requiring a graduate. We're actually more on those who doesn't have an experience,
Okay.
baristas that more on have good character.
Yeah.
And also, we have a lot of working students. So we're proud to say that for the past 3 years, we have working students who already graduated and now venturing
Palayo
out.
sila.
Some also work because we have one as a seaman.
Okay.
Now that we have 2 that's graduating, and then for those who stop their study and work for us, we encourage them. We encourage them to go on further studies, like continue their school. So we also make sure that their schedules and work schedules in the cafe and in the Dr. Chicken is fitted with their schedule at school. So we check also that, because let's face the reality that these people also have dreams. They also have bigger opportunities in store for them. So it's like this cafe is just an enabler
Para
for them to achieve that dream.
Yes, sakto
Yes.
tayo. So at least naamoy na touch ng mga lives ba, you
Mhm.
made an impact sa
Mhm.
sa ilahang mga kinabuhi, sa development sa ilahang sa improvement sa ilahang panginabuhi para sa pamilya ko.
Mhm.
Hopefully. Kani sir, medyo nitty-gritty and medyo sakit ni sa mo ni bloodline sa negosyo mga kanan.
Mhm.
Naamang yung mga panahon na hinay ang negosyo.
Yes.
How do you deal about that? And how do you deal with it? And unsay imong mga pakulo, unsay imong strategies nga dili sad kayo yung anak kang lisod ba? Kunya na mga months gyud nga.
Yes.
So-
Lean max.
Yun.
Yes. I think every businesses also have that, especially in F&B, especially coffee, because there's a lot of the competition in coffee industry is very competitive. It's a competitive market. So making yourself, at par with the competition
Mhm.
is making sure that you keep up with the product, make sure that the consistency of how the loyal customers like it should
Yes.
be kept.
Oo.
And then what we also do is, me personally, I'm selling.
Oh, ikaw.
Yes, sir. So like I'm busy. I'm studying as graduates,
Oo.
pursuing my masters as
Oo,
well.
oo.
So I'm also a avid fan of pickleball right now. So the community there.
You
So
promote,
yes,
and
the connection that you build with a lot of people, because I think the good attitude of Cebuanos is that they really support local, like especially Cebuano businesses.
Mo ba?
That's very, yes. I
Hindi
think
rin siya ng mga tagay.
yes, sir. I'm not comparing it because I've been to a lot of
Places.
places and provinces, and what's really remarkable with the Cebuanos is that they really support local. Yes.
So mas mupalit sila sa inyo kaysa katong mga kuan.
For my experience, yes.
Oh. Pero nindot ang imong strategiya kay ang uban mga negosyante, ako mga nakaila pod nga just because they're the boss, they're the owner or they're the manager, ilan ang i-rely sa mga tao. Ikaw may salesperson, ikaw may barista, ikaw may kuan, ikaw may sa marketing, ikaw pang pamaligya mo diya. So ikaw mismo kinahanglan nituo ka o kay ba ka mamaligya sa community.
Yes, I think partly because I think the most important part is you have to be the face of your product.
Oh, mapagwapo jud ka maayo.
I'm not saying that, but what I meant about it is that you should know that your product is good because you're selling it,
Oo.
and you can attest to it by, because I'm not selling something here that's not worth it. I know the value for money for the people.
Di ka ma-wow.
Yes.
May promote.
Yes, and because also I receive a lot of good feedbacks from the from the random people, from the people that I am connected with. So I think it's just a boost of confidence on my end that, okay, I'm selling the right product, so at least I should be proud of it.
Oo.
I'll keep selling this because people are giving me right feedback that this is it. And I'm not saying that I'm just taking all the good feedbacks, because every time there's also like, you know, things that to improve, because you're not gonna go move forward
Yes.
if you're not taking the feedback from the customers as well.
Oh.
So I think that's also one of the big part, that you really have to make sure that you're hands-on when it comes to business.
Sus ka-stressful yun ano. Kinalan jud din kang
Actually,
Wa-
sir,
wa-
oo, mas stressful jud siya ang magnegosyo kaysa sa day job.
Pero would you still want to encourage people to do business?
I'm not saying that it's not a one shoe fits all. Okay? So the formula that I have is not gonna work for everyone.
Yes.
It really depends on your passion. If you're passionate about it, then if it's a hard road or it's a bumpy road, then you have no reason to stop, but you have to keep going.
After sa atong break, sa tayo
Yes.
in a bit, kanang gusto ko mag-focus ta sa imuhang nag-mention mo kag formula, kana imong style or imong strategy. Although yes, sakto nga no sa to imong sapatos-patos. Whatever strategy,
One size fits all.
di ba? Dili man not necessarily nga mo fit sa ilaha, pero at least the basic principles behind what you're doing, how you're doing it. Ato nang ganahan ko na mura bang playbook nimo ba? How you're able to manage your life, and then your love life, and then yung work nimo, and then some business pa lisod dili nga nakasayon, di ba? So di gyud kinahanglan tinapulan mo na sa after the break. Pero before we take a break, nag-mention mo ko ka, I don't want to skip this, nag-mention mo ko ka about feedback, and importante dyan ang sa ito sa mga tao, which is good, kinahanglan di ka close sa ingana nga idea. Based sa mga nasulti sa mga tao, sa mga customers, sa mga customers nimo, nganong ganahan sila mo balik? Nganong maadto mo sa Dr. Coffee o mukha mo sa Dr. Chicken?
Yeah. So aside from the ambience, actually, it's the people. So like the baristas, so they keep coming back, and actually the taste of the food that we have is actually an Ilonggo, because I made sure, because I'm Ilonggo, so the Ilonggo side of it. So it's actually a collaborative effort. So the coffee is from the radiology doctor, because it's really good, and then the pastries that we have is from the surgeon, Dr. Marika. So she's the one.
Sila ang nag-bake?
Yes, it's their recipe. Then the food is me, the Ilonggo side.
Okay.
So it's really like a village to make sure that everyone is working. So it's a collaborative effort, just like in the hospital. So it's not just the nurses who do the work; the doctors will also do the work. So it's a team. It's a team to make sure that everything works well.
So dili pasabot nga kung magnegosyo ka kinahanglan mo focus sa sa produkto.
Yes.
Makainom yung produkto niya, pati ikag batasan,
Yes.
when balik.
Oh yes.
Oo, na
Sir.
yung pasabot.
Yes, sir.
Okay na siguro nga. Basta lang sa imong gisultigan, basta ma-feel lang nila, matilawan nila nga kape ni, lamig ang kape. Isa dili kay nga grabe kay exceptional.
Yes.
Pero maayo ka abi niya, indo na yung ambiance na. So it's not just about the product.
Yes.
The people appeal sila sa product.
Because how you made them feel is part of the experience when they have their coffee.
Hindi kinalang gwapo ako.
Yes. It's how pleasant the barista is. It's making sure that they are well seated when they go to the cafe. It's just as simple that making sure that when they take out their orders and for delivery,